Hello friends, this is Sumit Bagul and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we usually do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to your sexual life and Dr. Vijay Dahifale will solve your problems in very positive manner. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale in detail.
Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology.
So friends, now that you all have got information about various clinics of Dr. Vijay Dahifale, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahifale has recently started his new brand clinic in Thane. So if you are in Thane, if you are in Mumbai or if you are in Navi Mumbai, you can definitely consider visiting his Thane clinic and you will get very positive consultation. Let's start the show. We have doctor here with us. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Yes, thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we have received lot of questions
Sure.
on our videos. And
Yeah.
you also have received a lot of questions through emails.
Yeah.
People have actually personally asked you a few
Yes.
questions. And due to this public demand,
Yeah.
due to that people want to get
Yes.
information, scientific information about
Yeah,
sexual
sure.
dysfunction, you have selected this very special and
Yes.
important topic. In this particular topic,
Yeah.
we would like to know about different types of shapes of and colors of vagina.
Yeah.
So sir, to start with, my first question to you is, what is normal color of vagina?
Yes. Sumit, in this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are taking detailed information of different shapes of vagina, on what base they have decided. There are how many types? Total there are more than 80 types of vaginal shapes which are taken as a normal and definitely on the basis of labia majora and minora and the shape of clitoris it is divided. Now today we will see about the color. We must know what is the normal color. Why we should know what is normal color? Because if there is any change, if there is any pathology, at that time you can approach to the sexologist, urologist and andrologist. The normal color is pink color. Pinkish color is normal. Mild purple color is also normal. And so many times during excitation, when the color changes to the dark pink or to the reddish color also, that is also normal, which comes back to the normal color after finishing your act or after finishing your exciting activity or any other type of masturbation. So this is taken as a totally normal and total darker tint in the labia majora compared to your body. That is also taken as a normal due to this melanin pigmentation.
Sir, whether color of inner lips and clitoris changes, and if it changes, then why it changes?
Yes, excellent. Now body is hormonally driven. When you are excited, when female partner is in the position for the act. In that case is the blood flow towards the clitoris. Same like a male, that blood flow is increased towards this clitoris. The blood flow increased towards this labia minora, due to which it looks a darker color. Means it becomes more pink color, it becomes purple colored, and this is maintained till the blood supply is going on. And when that act of masturbation is over, when the activity sexual is over, again it deflates, that clitoris also deflates. It's like erected penis, again it goes back and the color again comes back to normal pink color. So this type of variation of color during excitation, sexual activity taken as a normal, and it should come back to its own after 15 to 20 minutes or when act is over or when excitation is over.
Sir, regarding this particular topic,
Yeah.
I would like to ask you a few more questions.
Sure.
But we have first caller on the show. We have Shashank
Yeah.
from Patna. Shashank, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
My girlfriend is having small swelling on outer lips of vagina. What will be the reason and how to treat it?
Excellent. Concern to our topic. The labia, outer labia is having some swelling. There are lumps and bumps also. See, these lumps and bumps are also taken as a normal. Why they occurs? If suppose there is any type of pimple, sometimes there is a visible vein, sometimes such types of varicocele or dilated veins you can see on the part of this vagina. Again, so many times, what happens due to any gland swelling or the swelling of that gland which occurs due to infection, and that is also taken as a normal. So, such type of lumpy, bumpy fillings, if they are not creating any problem, if they are not forming a pus or any type of discharge, so such type of abnormalities in that small shape, either in labia majora, minora, so many types there are small simple cysts also, they are taken as a normal, and if they are troublesome during activity, if they are painful, if there is any itching or if there is any infection, then they are supposed to consult with sexologist, urologist and andrologist, and a very nice of treatment is available and they can enjoy their sexual life after treatment, or any doubt is there, in that case we can start the treatment accordingly.
Sir, next question is
Yeah.
whether shaving of vagina changes colors of outer lips.
Yes. So, you feel this is very simple question, but it's not a simple question. What happens when there are cloudy hairs? When the hairs are curly, they are ingrowing, means they are going inside the vagina also, creating urinary tract infections. And when you shave these hairs, again I am telling you, you should not shave in a reverse direction, so that it will cause infection, irritation and injury to your this delicate minora also. So, by shaving, by any means there doesn't occur any type of change of color, only for a few time when you open it, in that case it looks somewhat fairer than other area, but later on due to exposure of this atmospheric temperature, it again becomes normal. So, in short, by shaving it doesn't make any type of color changes, and it is always hygienic, healthy, and additional advantage during sex. When they use the lubricant, at that time the sliding movement, the clitoral rubbing movement, it is added and is very much helpful for organism if hairs are not there, because in presence of hair they are get pulled one, they can get infected, and definitely for other type of sex the partner will not get that much of interest. So, keep it very clean, neat and definitely very healthy.
Sir, one very important question is what if the color of inner lips and outer lips of vagina changes, then what to do?
Yes. This temporary change which occurs during excitation in the form of purple and goes back to normal, we have seen taken as a normal, but the color is becoming dark, the color is becoming more purple, then there are some itching, the skin is becoming thickened. In such a cases, these are indicative of fungal infection, and such a type of fungal infection, they are very troublesome. The skin become so much black, its look, external appearance is also not good, and in few cases, if there is a diabetes in such cases, they get a cracks, there occurs bleeding, there occurs infection, and due to this, during sexual activity, the partner get pain, and definitely they go away from the activity, and they get a loss of interest also. So, in such a case, approach to sexologist, urologist and andrologist, treat this fungal infection by systemic antifungal, local antifungal, and definitely it will be controlled, and that gives nice enjoyment at the time of activity when it is a clean, neat and without any pigmentation.
Definitely. Sir, we have one more caller with
Sure.
us. We have Saumya from Pune. Saumya, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
If vaginal skin is getting repeat pimples, then what are the causes and how to treat them?
All right.
Excellent. Means their involvement is very much important, because one should not put it one-sided. Means just we are discussing just male problem and no female are involved. This is not the pattern. All are involved equally. All are interested in such a cases in growing hairs. Sometimes the hair doesn't come outside. Same pimple which you get on a face in the same manner, that hair is rounded in that blade, in that root, and there you get a pustule, there you get an infection. This is the reason of repeatedly getting, she is asking, repeatedly she is getting pimple. In such a case, it may require some microsurgery and you have to remove that hair from its root also. So, by taking care of these hairs during shaving, so it should not be a close shave in a reverse direction. So, it should be in the same direction with application of some soft object or some soft lubricant, or you can trim it, and by antibiotics, by removing that root, definitely you can treat it very nicely by consulting with sexologist, urologist and andrologist.
Definitely. Sir, now very important question. What to do if there is itching in inner and outer lips of vagina? What to do?
Yes, very important question, Sumit, you are telling me.
Yeah.
Very common thing. Why hygiene is important? You are wearing clothes from inside, whether they are sometimes wet also. Then on that you have your pants. In such a way you constantly are getting, now there is a very big problem of obesity. Even they get a itching or rubbing of the thighs when they are walking, or fungal infection which is causing irritation, even that will not allow to work, they don't allow to concentrate yourself. So such a type of fungal infection which causes thickening of skin, cracking of skin. So such type of infection when occurs, by treating it nicely, definitely you get a very good result. And any discharge when occurs, it is a sign of vaginitis, vaginosis, either bacterial, trichomonas or any other type of infection. In such cases, after consultation, we put on some local antifungals, and by giving this nice treatment, definitely the things will be controlled. And most important, such type of discharges so many times distracts your partner, or your partner may get loss of interest. So, as far as possible, immediately when they get it, show it to the consultant, sexologist, urologist, andrologist, and get rid of this all infective pathologies.
Sir, what to do if vagina smells badly or there is a discharge?
Yes, same talk I will continue. Fungal infection, trichomonal infection, bacterial infection, bacterial vaginosis, and such type of green discharges. Again, so many times there is a cervicitis. If there is an infection, fibrosis also, it keeps on discharging. If there is any type of erosion, that also gives the discharge. If any pathology in uterus also, that also gives the discharge. So what happens? Due to this, partner definitely get away from this activity, because it is either painful to partner due to infection, or that partner is not feeling better with that type of smell. So you are supposed to take care of partner in this situation. You have to take, either she will go herself, or you have to take to the clinic, take the treatment, antibiotics, and after treatment definitely will get a good result. And friends, any infection, any type of discharge, any type of query you are having, these are open dice for you, and definitely you will solve our all queries and all problems related to sexual problems and sexual difficulties.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for sharing all this information. And due to time constraint, we have to stop here in this particular episode, but definitely we'll meet in one more episode. But friends, you also take. But friends, you can also take Dr. Vijay Dahifale's consultation. There are. Thank you so much, doctor, for sharing all this valuable information. But due to time constraint, we have to stop here in this particular episode. But definitely we will meet in one more episode. So friends, you can also take Dr. Vijay Dahifale's consultation through various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahifale has recently started his new brand clinic in Thane. So if you are in Thane, if you are in Mumbai, if you are in Navi Mumbai, or if you could visit to his Thane center, then you will get his consultation in very positive manner. Well friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.